At Food My Order, we understand that everyone has their moments of weakness, and mistakes are part of the journey. What matters is how we learn and grow from them. We're committed to becoming the best food delivery service in Kathmandu, and your feedback is essential in that process. Imagine a world where you can easily order meals for your entire team with our regular launch subscription plan, ensuring everyone stays fueled and focused. Planning an event? Our catering service brings delicious food right to your doorstep, perfect for weddings and celebrations. Need food at your event? Our packing food delivery service ensures your favorite dishes and drinks are served fresh and hot. And for those lively gatherings like concerts and festivals, our food stall service offers quality food that keeps the energy high. We also provide cafeteria management services, taking care of kitchen needs in offices, schools, and homes. With Food My Order, we're not just delivering food, we're delivering experiences. Your satisfaction drives us forward.